Assalamu alaikum. Hope so you are doing well. Today we will learn about countable and uncountable nouns. First is countable nouns. Countable nouns are individual people, animals, places, things which can be counted. Means ऐसे noun जिन्हें आसानी से गिना जा सके, काउंट किया जा सके, वो काउंटेबल नाउन्स कहलाते हैं. Next is uncountable noun. Anything that cannot be counted is an uncountable noun. Means कोई चीज़ जिसे हम गिन नहीं सकते, काउंट नहीं कर सकते, उसे हम uncountable noun कहते हैं. The nouns which cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. For example, sugar, salt, water, oil, grass, wood, honey. Means कि हम इन चीज़ों को नहीं आसानी से नहीं गिन सकते. So these are uncountable noun. The following examples will help you to see the difference between countable and uncountable nouns. Countable noun examples. There are at least 20 restaurants. अब यहाँ पर देखिए हमें 20 restaurants के बारे में बताया हुआ है. She took 10 chocolates when she went to the garden. Your book is on the kitchen table. Now these are the example of countable noun. Uncountable noun examples. First is honey is tasty. Now in this sentence honey is uncountable noun. Oil is in the bottle. Now in this sentence oil क्या है? Uncountable noun है. And butter, salt, sugar, sand are also the examples of uncountable noun. So this is all for today. Thank you.